Here are 5 reasons why some sellers will never succeed doing Amazon FBA. All of these tips are things I wish somebody told me when I first started. Reason number 1, they don't spend enough time learning the fundamentals of selling Amazon FBA. I have talked to some Amazon sellers that got into trouble with Amazon because they didn't know basic rules of sending Amazon FBA shipments. Like, you cannot send boxes that weigh more than 50 pounds each. Your box dimensions can only be up to 25 inch on each side, and you cannot put the same product with different expiration dates in the same box. Reason number 2, they don't know how to calculate their profits correctly and end up losing money. You would be surprised to know how many sellers start selling on Amazon and send products without knowing exactly how much profit they will make, or send things that they don't make a profit just to see how it works. My advice is to learn how to scan products to see how much profit you can make before you even think of sending to Amazon, and only send products you will make a profit after you sell. Reason number 3, they keep sending products to Amazon warehouses that are not selling. I have talked to an Amazon seller that was stuck making between $3,000 to $5,000 per month for months, and want to know how he could make $10,000 per month. I was surprised to find out by looking at his inventory that he was sending the same products to Amazon warehouse, even though most of these products were not selling. In the end, he was barely making a profit from that $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Number 4, they don't look at Keeper charts to see how fast these products sell. Keeper is the greatest tool that keeps track of when products sell on Amazon. So before you purchase a product to sell on Amazon, you should look at its Keeper graph and look at statistics to see how many sales Keeper estimates it sells per month as new. More than 5 sales is a good number to start with. Reason number 5, they source products from only national stores. There are so many stores that you can source products from that other sellers will not have easy access to because they don't live in the same state that you do. So you need to find new stores to source products from that are located in only your state or your regional area. And if you haven't done so yet, sign up to get your free Getting Started on Amazon guide so you can get all the tools and software needed to run your Amazon business. And remember to like this video and subscribe if you want to learn how to make money online selling on Amazon. And comment below what's going to be your next goal to have a successful Amazon business.